So you think homemade biscuits are a lot of work? Well, think again. I'm gonna show you how to make buttermilk biscuits in 20 minutes or less. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future episodes. It'll make me really happy. First, I'm gonna start off with my dry ingredients. In front of me, I have a large mixing bowl, and to that, I'm gonna add some all-purpose flour. There we go. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be so easy. You're gonna be like, what? Next, I'm gonna add some baking powder, baking soda. I'm gonna add some salt and some pepper. And the pepper is gonna give this biscuit a little spice, just the way I like it. Spicy, no. So I'm just gonna give this a little stir so that everything gets evenly distributed. There we go. I love seeing the little specks of pepper. For some reason, whenever I, eat a biscuit, whether I'm out and about at a restaurant, and when I see those little specks of pepper in there, I know this is gonna be good. For some reason. So speaking about not making these biscuits average, I'm gonna add flavor to this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some bacon. Come on, bacon and biscuits? Woo! That's when you can say hallelujah. Hallelujah. Can I get an amen? And then I'm gonna add some cheese. My cheese, glorious cheese. So this is really nice and savory, right? But you can also make this nice and sweet. You can just leave out the bacon and the cheese and you'll have this biscuit, and then you can turn it into a shortcake. So when the biscuits are done, I can add strawberries to it and whipped cream. Oh my gosh, can we say, oh? I mean sweet and savory. So what I have here is melted butter, and I've let this cool off. And the reason why I did that is because I'm gonna be adding some buttermilk next, and I don't want my buttermilk to get hot. I want my buttermilk to stay really nice and cool for some nice flaky biscuits. Now to sweeten this up, I'm gonna add some honey. Now I know some people add sugar, but I like to add honey. That's what I did growing up. That's what my mom did. But let me know in the comments below what you like to do. Do you like to use sugar or do you like to use honey? This just already, and it's not even in the oven yet, but this already smells like, to me, Sunday morning. And I don't know about you, but for some reason, whenever I would have biscuits in the morning and straight out of the oven, I knew my day was gonna be a good day. It's definitely comfort food, you know what I mean? It just makes you feel nice and warm and fuzzy inside. I actually ate a lot of them, just bread in general, during my first pregnancy with my son Cree. I used to eat so many biscuits, so many bread rolls, because I was dealing with a lot of nausea. Let me know in the comments below if any of you guys out there experience, nausea during your pregnancy. I was nauseous throughout my entire pregnancy. So I was constantly eating bread, like every second of the day, and I actually developed an allergy afterwards. That's how much bread I ate. I don't have the allergy anymore because they say, certain allergies, they disappear after a few years. And I was like, please, I don't want to have this allergy forever because I love bread. And I did go back to an allergist and they tested me and I no longer had an allergy. But that's what happened because I ate so many biscuits. So now that my wet ingredients are all incorporated, I'm gonna add that to my dry ingredients. Just dump all of that in, make sure I get all of this. There we go. This is that butter. And I'm telling you, you're gonna have some nice buttery pockets with these biscuits. So what I'm doing is I'm gently folding this, and I don't wanna overmix this because I don't want tough biscuits. So now I'm gonna drop my biscuits, and this is what makes this recipe 20 minutes or less. I don't have to roll it out. I don't have to use a glass to cut it out. I just have to drop it. I just have to drop them onto a baking sheet. So you wanna make sure that there's a little room in between the biscuits because they will rise and widen. You can also make these biscuits any size you want. I'm kind of using a bigger scooper, but you can actually use a smaller one and you'll have smaller biscuits. This is a great size for me because you can make like an egg sandwich with this. Oh my gosh, like really? An egg sandwich? My son actually loves egg sandwiches. Now I'm gonna put this into the oven at 475 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. I don't know about you guys, but I love to eat my biscuits piping hot, and that's what this just is. It is nice and hot. Now, if you ask me, you can never have too much butter on a biscuit, and I'm just gonna slather this all over this biscuit. Yeah, baby. Look at that. If you'd like to see another one of my comfort favorites, make sure you click on this video right here to check out my collard greens and cornbread. I'll see you over there. Bye.